Got a hole in your roof from a storm and need to cover it fast before more bad weather hits tonight? Alright, here's the deal. First, yeah, a tarp is your best friend for a quick fix, but it's gotta be done right so it doesn't make things worse. Grab a decent tarp that's big enough to cover the hole with some extra on the sides. Use roofing nails or strong staples to secure it, but don't hammer through the tarp too many times to keep it tight and flat so wind can't catch it like a sail. Before you put the tarp on, clear any loose debris around the hole so it sticks better. If you can get your hands on some roof cement or caulk labeled for roofing, smear some under the tarp edges to help seal it against water. You can even scoop up some granules from nearby shingles and press them into the caulk for extra protection and to help it blend in. Don't worry too much about nailing the tarp down. Insurance companies expect you to protect your home from further damage. Just keep your receipts and take pictures of what you did to show them later. Also, keep calling your insurance. You want that claim rolling as soon as possible. One of the biggest mistakes when covering a roof hole is using a tarp that's too small or loosely secured, which lets wind get underneath and cause even more damage. Fix this by getting a tarp that overlaps well and fastening it firmly but carefully. Another common problem is ignoring the edges. If you just slap the tarp over the hole without sealing edges with roofing, caulk, or cement, water will sneak in. So always seal those edges to keep water out. Lastly, some folks panic and hammer nails all over the place, risking more damage or making removal tricky later on. Instead, just use enough nails or staples to keep it snug without going overboard. Less is more here. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by helping homeowners find trusted local contractors fast when things get messy like this. Plus, if you are a contractor, it's a solid way to connect with people who need work done, keeping the projects coming your way.